Guangzhou, Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around. Guangzhou. Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around. Guangzhou. Guangzhou, come check it out. There's always something to see, just look around.
So I'm in Guangzhou. We're going to kind of just explore this area called Dongshankou. It's kind of a hipster bohemian area, but also has a lot of different stuff, even like this little fruit market. And we're going to see where the people are going. Probably just kind of meander through these neighborhoods over there. Try to catch some of the lighting. You can see some of the architecture here. There's people yelling, probably because they're selling stuff. We'll see what that's all about as well. So stay tuned for another slice of Guangzhou. We'll put this up on the map for you as well. Guangzhou, okay, up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And we're gonna be, let's just get you there as if you're there yourself. Come and join me. You know where we're at on the map. Follow me in the camera. Guangzhou, China. Okay, so let's just put this up. Oh, now that you saw it on the map, let's just show it to you as if you're here yourself. Let me just see. So this kind of goes into, if you go over there, there's a couple of kind of hipster areas, bohemian, like vintage shops, trendy bars, coffee shops, stuff like that. And then this one, which is very close to it, has a completely different feel. It feels more very local. Fruits, vegetables, even cats and birds. Tons of birds. Okay, so we are going to explore and just kind of see what all we can see around here. Got some belts there. Huh. These belts are like such a great price. So we're gonna meander down and see what this little thing is all about here in Guangzhou. Fruit, tons of fresh fruits and vegetables. All the people are yelling are right in here. Oh, then you could go into the market over there. I guess we should probably do that since you guys might be viewing. So we're not going to walk in too much, but this is kind of what we're looking at in here. Sometimes I don't want cameras in here, so I'm going to take the camera out. So we are going to kind of meander. Yeah, I didn't expect that because let me just kind of give you my impression. Like if you look online for hipster, bohemian, whatever, you'll come up with this neighborhood, Dongshankou. And that is definitely here. The last few videos that would be thumbnailed down below, 100% had that. And then right so close to here, you have all these fresh fruits and vegetables, which I kind of associate more with modest incomes. One second here. Okay, so we had to, we're gonna explore a little bit more and kind of walk down into these alleys and just kind of see what's surrounding here. So yeah, a little slice of Dongshankou, something a little bit different. There's some cactus, looks kind of cool. looks like we're gonna go downhill, and then and I haven't really explored fully, but when I looked at the map, it's like they call it like a village, which means that historically it would have been like its own little town in here. When I looked at the map, that's what it implies. I don't know if it actually was or not. So it feels like once we go down these steps, it does kind of have a little bit of a density. There's even an outdoor elevator right there. It's funny because these older buildings, a lot of them don't have elevators. But then it looks like they built one on the outside. Let me just kind of take a look at that one more time. See how they built it on the outside? And they must have connected all the apartments to it, I guess. Okay. So let's see. That's kind of cool. There's a cat right there. So it looks like we're gonna just meander, and there's a street that's gonna be coming up. Some nice trees and things, though. Nice rooftops too. So we'll see how much this changes as we get around the corner here. Kind of give you an idea of different parts of Guangzhou. So a lot of times when I film, you know, I don't want to just highlight just the best parts. It's a nice window right there like that. I want to give an idea exactly as if you're walking around yourself here. Let's just see what's to the left and what's to the right. So that one kind of goes up to some walls. Looks like there are some little venues like that. So it looks like they do have that. This is all under scaffolding, bamboo scaffolding. I couldn't tell you which direction is best, but I know I haven't walked down this way before. So we'll just kind of take a look into some of these back streets and just kind of get a feel for it. Yeah, there's more of these elevators. So both those buildings have elevators. Let's see what else we can see here. Let me see. Oh, we got some, let's see what this is. That looks kind of cool. So it looks like you got like a little coffee shop and different stuff in here. Let me just take a look here. Whiskey, cold brew, ice dip. So it looks like this area does have more than I originally thought. This is called Under the Tree. So let's see what this has as well. So Under the Tree, let me just take a look here. Huh. A nice venue. Red wine and juice. Okay, let's just keep on going down. We'll just see what else you can see. So it looks like this area has more than I thought. It's like a lot of little businesses in here. Some artwork. Larvae. This looks like it's used to be something public. Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely more like streaming than I am filming. Because I should turn into a streamer. And in China there's a lot of streamers everywhere, and they just walk around and film, which is basically what I'm doing. So, and usually I put it on YouTube. $19.22. So we're gonna make a choice here if we want to go left, right, or straight. Right looks kind of cool. I think there's like something that's like some kind of communist museum. That might be it right there. There's no wrong direction to go. Let me just kind of see what's in this little space in here. Feels like... Huh. It's kind of cool. Let me just see. So there's some nice architecture in here. I feel like if I continue on, it might come to some kind of ending. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn off the camera. Then we're gonna go down that way, and we're gonna but yeah, the Communist Museum right there. Actually, we could go down one of those ways. Okay, let's go around the corner down that way. Okay, so we're gonna kind of venture around a little bit more. Yeah, I think this is the museum. People really like honking their horn down there. Some really cool architecture. Okay, we're gonna continue down our walk, and I think we're gonna try to go across, take like that waterway over there. So we'll see if we can make it okay or not. I think that waterway could be something kind of interesting. Okay, let's go up that way. So yeah, this waterway, I don't know the whole symbolism of this, but we'll see. But anyways, we were up in that area, so that's all kind of where we were at. Looks like we can also walk down that way, or we can keep going down this way. So let's just keep on going down a little bit further, and then we'll kind of get an idea in case people are wondering where we are. That's one of the streets that we're at. Lions right there. Guardian. More guardians. And we're also at this street right here too. So we'll keep on walking around and we'll go down there and kind of see what we can find. Some kind of interesting artwork here. So we're just kind of meandering around. I think on that note, I think we are going to come to an end. This is kind of what it looks like in this area, and I feel like it's going to continue to look like this way any direction that I do. But yeah, we were up in that area, then we came down this way. I'm going to put an end to our video right here.